Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all are fine and safe. Welcome to our EVS class. What is our first lesson? Etiquette. Already we completed, no? So today we are going to textbook reading. Like first class, for second class also, we are books like course book, activity and workbook. We have Astros and syllabus and we have 3 terms for this year. In first term we have the books like course book, activity book and workbook. See here, course book. Course book means nothing but textbook. Course book means nothing but textbook. All of you open your course book, page number 48. Page number 48. Dear parents, please buy the books for your child. Those are available in the office room. So this is very helpful to your child to read, to how to read and how to write. So please buy the books, everyone. Please buy the books. See the first lesson, etiquette. What is the first lesson? Etiquette. Already you know, no? What is the meaning of etiquette? Etiquette means good manners or good habits. Do we follow good habits or not? Shall we start reading? So all of you take a pencil or put your finger where you are reading. Good habits. When we eat. Rohan, come dear. The breakfast is ready. Rohan, come dear. The breakfast is ready. All of you underline breakfast. 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 Okay, children, put your finger. Read along with me or repeat after me. Yes, ma'am. Rahul will also join us for breakfast. Yes, ma'am. Rahul will also join us for breakfast. See here, 2 members are there, no? She is Rohan's mother. Rohan and Rahul. Rohan mother calling them for breakfast. Look here. Rahul, you have to wash your hands. See in this picture, Rahul is sitting simply without washing his hands. Before and after eating, what we have to do? We should wash our hands. Rahul, you have to wash your hands. Underline wash spelling and hand spelling. WASH, wash. HANDS, hands. I am sorry, auntie. SORRY, sorry. AUNTY, auntie. Underline sorry, auntie spellings. Wash your hands. WASH, wash your hands before and after eating. Before and after eating. See here what he is doing. He is washing his hands. See in the next picture what he is doing here. He put a napkin. Put the napkin on your lap so that you don't spoil your clothes. SPOIL, spoil. CLOTHES, clothes. NAPKIN, napkin. Underline napkin spelling, spoil spelling, clothes spelling. Here what he is doing? He is talking. Take small bites, underline bites, BITES, bites and CHEW, chew. Chew, underline chew, PROPERLY, properly, underline. Take small bites and chew properly. Do not make noise while chewing. Do not talk when your mouth is full. Again, take small bites and chew properly. Do not make noise while chewing. Do not talk when your mouth is full. See, here what he is doing? Licking his hands. You should not do like that. See that the food does not spread all over your palm. Underline palm. P-A-L-M, palm. P-A-L-M, palm. Never lick your fingers while eating. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. See that food doesn't spread all over your palm. Never lick your fingers while eating. Do not play with your food. Do not play with your food. Use the words please, thank you while passing dishes to each other. Use the words please and thank you while passing dishes to each other. Hold the fork in the left hand and spoon in the right hand when using them. Fork, F-O-R-K, fork, underline, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. See here what he is doing, what he has in his hands. He has a fork and spoon. We should hold the fork with the left hand and spoon with right hand. Pray to God before eating and thank your mom after eating food. Pray to God before eating and thank your mom after eating food. Guest at home. Hello uncle, please come in. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Underline that one. Hello Rohan. Please sit down. I shall get you some water to drink. W-A-T-E-R, water. Underline. Please sit down. I shall get you some water to drink. See the next page. How are you, uncle? Mom and dad are not at home. They will come soon. Can you please wait? How are you, uncle? Mom and dad are not at home. They will come soon. Can you please wait? Rohan, it is very nice of you. Thank you so much. Rohan, it is very nice of you. Thank you so much. I will leave now and shall call your dad later. Bye. Bye. Look here. You have to remember, when you have a visitor, V-I-S-I-T-O-R, visitor. When you have a visitor and you are alone at home, peep through the hole to see who is at the door. If you know them, open the door. If you do not know them, do not open the door and ask them to come later. At school. What are the good habits we should follow at school? Be on time to school. We should always go to school on time. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Underline the school. Take permission. P-E-R-M-I-S-S-I-O-M, permission. When you leave and enter the classroom. Take permission when you leave and enter the classroom. We have to take the permission from your teacher. Always wish your principal. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, principal. And the T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S, teachers. Underline principal, teachers. When you see them, respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect the A-Y-A-H-S, ayahs, and S-E-C-U-R-I-T-Y, security. G-U-A-R-D-S, guards. Security guards, and wish them to. Always wish your principal and the teachers when you see them. Respect the ayahs and security guards and wish them to. Listen patiently, 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 first, and then talk. Listen patiently first and then talk. Take turns to talk. TURNS, turns to talk. Never use bad language. LANGUAGE, language. Speak POLITELY, politely to everyone. Take turns to talk. Never use bad language. Speak politely to everyone. If anyone is standing, STANDING, standing in your way, say, excuse me, EXCUSE, excuse me, please. If you hurt someone, say, I am sorry, I am sorry. Never forget, there is magic in these words. Please, thank you, and sorry. Use them many times and be happy. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. These three are called magical words. When you take anything from others, you should say thank you. If you want to ask anything, you should ask like this, please. If you hurt anyone, say sorry. If you hurt anyone, say sorry. If you take anything from others, say thank you. If you want anything from others, say please. These are magical words. Look the children, I am repeating the hard words. Breakfast, wash, hands, sorry, auntie, wash, napkin, spoil, clothes, bites, chew, properly, spread, fingers, palm, please, thank you, dishes, fork, spoon, uncle, water, school, permission, principal, teachers, respect, security, ayahs, patiently, language, politely, excuse me. Children, all of you read and write these hard words in your rough notes 3 times. After completed your homework, you should send to your class teacher through WhatsApp. Okay children, read this at your home twice and write very neatly and send through WhatsApp. Okay, we will meet again. Bye.